My name is Alex, and I am 6 years old. Today is a big day for me, it's my first day at school. I feel excited but also a little nervous. I have been thinking about this day for a long time. What will my teacher be like? Will I make new friends? These questions fill my mind as I wake up. Early in the morning, my mom and dad wake me up. "Good morning, Alex," my mom says with a bright smile. "It's time to get ready for school." I jump out of bed, stretch my arms, and yawn. Then, I quickly wash my face and brush my teeth. The cold water wakes me up completely. My mom helps me put on my new school uniform. It's blue and white, and it feels crisp and clean. My shoes are black and shiny, and I love how they sparkle in the light. I feel special in my school clothes. After that, I eat breakfast at the dining table. My dad makes pancakes, and the sweet smell fills the kitchen. I love pancakes. He pours a little syrup on top, and I take a big bite. "You need energy for school," he says. I smile and eat happily, feeling the warmth of the food. My backpack is ready, it's blue, my favorite color. Inside, I have my books, pencils, and a lunchbox. My mom carefully packs a sandwich, an apple, and a small juice box for me. She even adds a little note that says, "Have a great day, Alex." It makes me feel happy. At 7:30 a.m., we leave the house. My school is not far, so my mom holds my hand as we walk down the street. I see other children with their parents, some walking, some riding in cars. Some kids smile, while others look shy or nervous like me. When we reach the school gate, a friendly teacher stands there, greeting everyone with a warm smile. "Good morning. Welcome to your first day at school," she says cheerfully. Her voice is kind, which makes me feel a little better. I take a deep breath. My mom bends down and gives me a tight hug. "Have a great day, Alex," she says. "I'll pick you up later." I wave goodbye and follow the teacher inside. The classroom is bright and colorful. There are small desks and chairs arranged neatly, bookshelves filled with exciting books, and a play area with toys. The walls have colorful posters with letters, numbers, and pictures of animals. Many children are already sitting at their desks, chatting and looking around curiously. I choose a seat near the window, where I can see the playground outside. "Hello, everyone," the teacher says warmly. "My name is Miss Emma. I am your teacher. Let's introduce ourselves one by one." Each child stands up and says their name. When it's my turn, I take a deep breath, stand up slowly, and say, "My name is Alex." My voice is quiet, but Miss Emma smiles and says, "Nice to meet you, Alex." Her kind words make me feel more confident. We start learning right away. Miss Emma shows us the alphabet and numbers on a big board. We sing a song about colors, clapping our hands to the rhythm. It's fun, and I start to feel happy and relaxed. At recess, we go outside to play. The playground is big, with slides, swings, and a seesaw. I meet a boy named Ryan. He has curly brown hair and a big smile. "Do you want to play with me?" he asks. "Yes," I say excitedly. We run together to the swings, pushing ourselves higher and higher. I laugh a lot, feeling the wind on my face. After playtime, we return to class. Miss Emma tells us a story about a little bear who goes to school for the first time. The bear feels nervous at first, but soon, he makes friends and enjoys his day. I like the story because it reminds me of myself. Soon, it's lunchtime. I take out my lunchbox, and Ryan sits next to me. "What do you have?" he asks. "A sandwich and an apple," I say. "Me too," he says, grinning. We eat together and talk about our favorite cartoons. In the afternoon, we do fun activities. First, we draw pictures. I draw a big house with a tree and a bright yellow sun. "Good job, Alex." Miss Emma says, and I feel proud. Later, we learn about animals. Miss Emma shows us pictures of different animals and asks, "What's your favorite animal?" "I like dogs," I say. "I like cats," says Ryan. We talk about different animals and their sounds. After that, we practice writing our names. I hold my pencil and try my best. "Very good, Alex." Miss Emma says and puts a shiny gold sticker on my paper. I feel happy. Next, we have music class. We sing songs and clap our hands to the beat. The music teacher, Mr. Ben, plays the guitar. We sing Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, and I enjoy it so much that I sing loudly. At 2 p.m., we go to the playground again. This time, we play soccer. I kick the ball as hard as I can, and Ryan runs fast to get it. We cheer and laugh, having so much fun. Back in the classroom, Miss Emma reads another story. This one is about a rabbit who finds a big carrot. Everyone listens carefully, excited to know what happens next. Before the day ends, we color pictures. I color a bright blue sky with fluffy white clouds. Ryan colors a red car. "Great job," Miss Emma says to everyone. Then, we do a small craft project. Miss Emma gives us paper, glue, and scissors. "Let's make a school bus," she says. We cut and paste shapes to create a yellow school bus with black wheels. I love using glue and making things with my hands. After finishing the craft, we have a short quiz. Miss Emma asks questions about the alphabet and numbers. I raise my hand confidently and answer, A, B, C, D. She nods and says, "Well done, Alex." Then, we practice writing again. I trace the letters and numbers carefully. "Writing takes practice," she says. I nod and try my best. At 3 p.m., school is over. My mom waits for me outside. "How was your first day?" she asks. "It was fun," I say. "I made a new friend." She smiles and hugs me. "I'm proud of you, Alex," she says. On the way home, I excitedly tell her about my teacher, my friend Ryan, and all the fun things we did. I talk about the songs, the stories, and the games. She listens and smiles, happy to hear my stories. When we reach home, I change my clothes and wash my hands. My mom gives me some cookies and milk. "You worked hard today," she says with a smile. That night, my dad comes home. "How was your first day?" he asks. "It was amazing," I say. I tell him everything, and he smiles proudly. Before bed, I play with my teddy bear. "School is fun," I say to him. My teddy bear seems to smile back. I take a bath, put on my pajamas, and snuggle in bed. My mom reads me a bedtime story about a boy who loves school. I listen happily, close my eyes, and drift off to sleep, excited for another day at school. I love my school. I love my teacher. I love my new friend. School is fun.